aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi
Bossy name top 3 stars who are going to there after Bishop Lowen, Lord Kenya, Shatawale.
Yeah, Bossy name top 3 stars who are going to die after Bishop Bernard. Nya konjo pese otre nyina ne se eye abrantie bi aye friend Baxi. Yeah, Baxi Bailing. Yeah, if I got the name correct, yeah, sana. Yeah, friend no or say Bishop Bernard nya wono wu ye no. Spiritual thing o ma sheda no makuno. Na onu awu no na mo ye phone na nke bewu. Enti Bishop Bernard nya ku awu no. Lewin ebeto aso. Lewin kwa na chese Lord Kenya nyumtuni ya na no yodan sofri. Ono so eba beto aso free wa na ko original Shatawale. Yes, Bema Shata enso so ebeto aso sana basi. E kai na unim video wo ho. Yanko ni wo video ne mbra ye ba. Unim ye baby mama.
Acting or your star. Jan in frame. My Bible and Tiamba catch I was a young uncle, we are my come upon 9. And as I uncle for not target to home. Into one the Bernard Atiano. A 9 year Lord Kenya and a twat Nyapo. Kenya free wa Kuma wood. And funny saying, says, I said, you can sell the win. A you next target. Could you can sell the win free wa? And you to near friend Shatawale. Also, you're ready. His uncle for immediately will be answer or spiritual fathers. That book where I come once a me. Never been a crack Bishop Bernard Nyako, near Finny Yaminica. Okra book way. I'm a cabrane, Nin 4 Nin 4 and Nin 4 to me the next trash. Ya. My make was massive. And I know because I don't know me pay. Nyame ni pedua na make America so massive. Ana me share no. O se me ba na me nim anka manko. Na se me nim a. Anka nya de besi ni. Na ye me wanwa se ne pa so masi tumi di we edi me. Ka ensem na ekoso no ahụ. Obi na kojan bo ne ye. Wo de ndui sanfio si wo de ho. Isan so obi abodwo se.
Yenya Bema Baxi na yekotie no de bai o say yenya ma Shatawale yembu adaka nto wanche. Aha na te mo ama na amompa ya enyimie bi akwamu de na chese Shata betimi akọ le so betimi akọ Lord Kenya so ebetimi akọ manager
Adentina Bishop Yale Nasa Basi no onigana na oni wiase.
No wa ebese bia no
Adentina wa utimi sha ko so be wo bia le de want man san yade. Adena poison, mouth poison.
Okay.
What mouth poison is that? What mouth poison is that? And the one you say go buy you want to ane
obi a
wo wiase owo news. Obi wo news. Obi mu a enye news. Yes na what and no owu ye e de je ye nkwa eti Bishop owu a and so what na lewi bewu na the one tin your Kenya so bewu Shatawale am tell the brother we wo any be go bla Shatawale win for sano any me tell guru ko bewu a aye fa de bewu anya de na ba so omo muda on that class no what can you put on me yes Lewen you are my son Shatawale you are my son
Lord
Kenya you are my son I love all I pray for you you won't die you will still live in this industry you will just live in this world you just live in this Ghana
okay
you will not die watch your tongue watch your tongue your tongue is poisonous.
Okay.
Your tongue is medical. Your tongue is poison.
Okay.
Don't do that. Pray on them and still alive.
Okay. There is a Lord Kenya brother or yes of cry and say.
Yes of
woman needing and
okay.
okay.
What's that carry me? What's so bad? don't do that.
Yeah, one if say my son same way nyina but obi say come say so na utifia no ya hwe yi.
See ya bon pa ya ma wa. No mo ji die ye mo na tie no ka say. No ma hwe ni ye. But the man mo I love them.
Okay.
Any day hot news no.
Yeah.
ABC. Kasebo a
eja suya ko anu din ye pa. Me de kasebo me de brem me din eloquent AJ Hipsy and me mama.
Oh man can you know chama. Men can me. This is hot news. Kasebo a eja tuato. Se jana popo. Na se bi gu so a. Kasane opati udin wo kasebo no. Kasebo we enyi ofidie ni firi kuma wududa. Na me adwabeni obene ba kope. Oba pele action woman ana me kase we me ni me ba
Queen AJ Hipsy that's a name so ye besan ehia ne de kasebo no foforo abramu kasebo we no say asem bi bem na say ehawa yenye directed to you yenye say you throw shots at you and I say ye ba abedidi obi atema na say ni obi ebenya ensems ensem a trendy most social media na me mama yaboa no say kasewa ene ye de ba beso mo enti ni gie ena fa bi yesere ena fa bi enso so efutu se medin Queen AJ Hipsy ene me mama ajobini nene ye de kasebo ebrem da se ne ye be san ehia de kasebo foforo abram na ye be kon mama ye kase da se na ne brof di ebe ye de
sleep day
sleep day
sleep day adasane
sleep day ye be san ehia de kasebo foforo abram ya kamu
mama bye
Kuma TV aba amansane yena yedie Kuma TV aba amansane yena yedie